Now it's finished. So, what should I do with this beautiful engine? What do you think? No, it's not. Come on. Of course it's not ready. This engine was heated pretty badly. Heated, I mean heat, like this. And it was broken. I welded this, but it was welding like shit. And now I know why, because of oil from inside the case. And we have a leak, of course. I have oil here and it was dropping on the ground. So I have to open this, clean it better this time, heat it and weld it one more time, of course. With this leaky repair, there is a little inspection. So after running a while, I don't know, 20 minutes or so, we have a lot of shit inside. Let's take a look. It's not good, but better to take it out than leave it inside the engine. Okay, camshaft. So I'm heating the block and I hope heating out rest of oil. I clean it pretty well. I make a big hole and we will see. It's starting to freeze, motherfucker. We still have small hole, but when we unfreeze this, I will weld this. And there is no hole anymore. Yes, and no leakage. I tested with this and it's okay. So assembly and test run. Hi, I want to try one thing. I have a wheel here, 36-1, something like this. This is from the other engine. And I want to try and measure the ignition angle here, but it doesn't fit. So this is 19 millimeters as the other engine there. So this shaft is bigger. I didn't expect that. I didn't know about this, and this is 20. As many of you know, 20mm shaft is in 3 horsepower diesel engine as shown on the screen, and people have to grind it to fit CVT. I was pretty sure all of petrol clones are 3/4 of an inch, so 19mm, and I bought CVT exactly for this application. But it fits. Why? I don't know why. So I was afraid about the clutch. I'm pretty sure I bought for 3/4 inch, so it's 19mm, but this motherfucker fits. It's 20 also. More luck than everything else. Maybe something like this, a little quad. It should be good for testing engines and having fun. So, I bought this some times ago, and it was running and driving. Maybe not good, but it was driving. And I did some unrevival. And now I have this. And this. So there is only one way, taking this engine out and putting the other one.